ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 839। This is Antaryami Brahmanam. What is Antaryami? So beautiful Lakshana was given. Yah Prithivyaam Tishthan, Prithivya Antaro, Yam Prithvi Naveda, Yasya Prithvi Shariram, Yah Prithvim Antaro Yamayati. 5 things are given. And that when it is given the Upadesha as Paroksha, then it is said, Eshaha ta Atma Antaryami Amritaha. That is nothing but your Atma. Atma means Upadhi, that Jivatma Swarupa, where Upadhi is to be accepted. We were seeing in Tika, third line on 839, Katham Prithivyaha Sharirendriyavatvam. What is the Sharira of Antaryami? It is said Prithvi Sharira is Sharira of Antaryami. What is the Indriya of Antaryami? Prithvi Indriya is Indriya of Antaryami. Means whatever is the Upadhi, Upadhi's Karya Karanatva is Antaryami's Karya Karanatva. Why? Katham Prithivyaha Sharirendriyavatvam Tadaha Swakarma. This is in 4th line in Bhashya. Swakarma prayuktam hi karya karanam cha prithvi devatayaha. Prithvi devata, whoever is that abhimani devata, gets the sharira and indriya based on karya karma, karma, purva karma. Based on that, it gets the karya and karana, sanghata. Antaryaminopi tatha kim na syat. Okay, Antaryami also can have karya karana based on its own karma. So what is the problem? Antaryami doesn't have karma. Antaryami doesn't do any karma. So Antaryami doesn't have karma, therefore Antaryami will not have its own karya karana sanghata. Tadasya swakarma abhavat. Antaryamino nitya muktatvat. Ishvara does not have any karma. And Ishvara also is nitya mukta. So Ishvara will, as part of our karma phala, we get sharira and indriya. Ishvara doesn't have karma, so it will not get sharira, indriya, ityadi. So it will use whatever is there, upadhi, sharira, indriya. And it is nitya mukta. Why? That which doesn't have karma is nitya mukta. That which has karma alone is bandhana. There is no other bandhana. Karma phala is samasya. अस्य अंतर्यामिणस् तदेव कार्यम करणम च न अन्यत् इति अत्र हेतुमः. Of this antaryami, that Prithvi Devata Karya Karana itself is its own, not any other. In that, what is the hetu? because swakarma abhavat. Tadeva hetvantarena spurayati. Another hetu is also given to clarify. Parartha kartavyata swabhavatvat parasya yat karyam karanam cha tadeva asya न स्वतः तदाह. परार्थ कर्तव्यता स्वभावत्वात्. परार्थ कर्तव्यता, ईश्वर विल हैव परार्थ कर्तव्यत्व. परस्य परार्थ कर्तव्यत्वा स्वभावत्वात्. ईश्वर doesn't do karma for itself. It doesn't have any prayojanam. नमाम कर्माणि लिम्पन्ति न मे कर्म फले स्पृहा. यत् कार्यम करणम च तदेव अस्य न स्वतः. यत् कार्यम करणम च पृथिव्याः तदेव अस्य न स्वतः तदाह यस्य पृथ्वी शरीरम. देयरफॉर पृथ्वी इज शरीर ऑफ अंतर्यामी. टीका. यह पृथिवीम इत्यादि वाक्यस्य तात्पर्यमाह देवता कार्यकरणस्य ईश्वर साक्षी मात्र सान्निध्येन हि नियमेन प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति स्याताम. देवता कार्यकरणस्य ईश्वर साक्षी मात्र सान्निध्येन. देवता कार्यकरण is ईश्वर साक्षी मात्र. ईश्वर साक्षी is the सन्निधि. साक्षी मात्र सान्निध्येन ही. देवता means पृथ्वी देवता, अग्नि देवता, all those. सान्निध्येन ही नियमेन प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति स्याताम. प्रवृत्ति and निवृत्ति of देवता कार्यकरण ईश्वर is साक्षी मात्र. टीका. तत्र वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याचष्टे. So vakyam means the later part of the mantra, and vyakhyanam is also done. Yaha idrig ishwaro narayanakhya. Who is this antaryami? Ishwara of this swarupa. Idrig means of this nature. Narayanakhya prithivim prithvi devatam yamayati niyamayati, which governs, controls Prithvi Devata. Swavyapare antaro अभ्यंतरस तिष्ठन एषत आत्मा ते तब मम च सर्वभूतानां च इति उपलक्षणार्थम एतदंतर्यामी यत् यह त्वया पृष्टो अमृतः सर्व संसार धर्म वर्जित इत्येतत्. So this antaryami, who is otherwise known as Narayana, Narayana, Shiva, whatever name, as Ishvara. He controls all the devatas in their own vyapara. Swavyapare, how does he control? Antaro, abhyantara tishthan, staying within. Esha te atma. Te means not only yours. Tava mama sarva bhutanam cha atma. This is the upalakshanam. Antaryami. Yaha tvaya prashtah. This is what you asked. Amritaha sarva samsara dharma varjitah. टीका. नियम्य पृथ्वी देवता कार्यकरणाभ्याम एव कार्यकरणवत्वम ईदृशत्वम. कंट्रोलिंग पृथ्वी देवता इन दिस वे कार्यकरणाभ्याम एव कार्यकरणवत्वम ईदृशत्वम. ईदृक्, ईदृक् ईश्वर मीन्स लाइक दिस, हैविंग सच कार्यकरण, देन हैविंग staying within it but different from it, and it doesn't know that, Devata doesn't know that Antaryami is there within me in this way. Means unless you attain enlightenment, this fact is not known. Now, whatever he said for Prithvi, same thing he says for other things. So, I will read mantras. योऽप्सु तिष्ठन्नद्भ्योऽन्तरो यमम् आपो न विदुर्यस्यापः शरीरं यो आपोऽन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः. So this is for water. Yo apsu tishtan. Same. Staying within it. Adbhya antara. Within means not above, etc. Within. Apaha na viduhu means the devata, Jal devata does not know it. Varuna devata does not know. Apa itself is its shariram, karana, etc. And yo apo antaro yamayati. That which controls the water from within. That is your Atma Antaryami Amritaha. Yo agnau tishthan agnerantaro yam agnirna veda yasyagni shariram yo agnimantaro yamayatyeshata Atma Antaryami Amritaha. Yo antarikshe tishthan antarikshadantaro yam antariksham na veda yasyantariksham shariram yo antariksham yamayatyeshata Atma Antaryami Amritaha. यो वायौ तिष्ठन् वायोरन्तरो यम वायुर्न वेद यस्य वायुः शरीरं यो वायुमन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यो दिवि तिष्ठन् दिवोऽन्तरो यं द्यौर्न वेद यस्य द्यौः शरीरं यो दिवमन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः य आदित्ये तिष्ठन् आदित्यादन्तरो यमादित्यो न वेद यस्यादित्यः शरीरं य आदित्यमन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यो दिक्षु तिष्ठन् दिग्भ्योऽन्तरो यं दिशो न विदुर् यस्य दिशः शरीरं यो दिशोऽन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यश्चन्द्रतारके तिष्ठन्श्चन्द्रतारकादन्तरो यञ्चन्द्रतारकं न वेद यस्य चन्द्रतारकं शरीरं यश्चन्द्रतारकमन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः य आकाशे तिष्ठन् आकाशादन्तरो यमाकाशो न वेद यस्याकाशः शरीरं य आकाशमन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यस्तमसि तिष्ठन् स्तमसोऽन्तरो यं तमो न वेद यस्य तमः शरीरं यस्तमोऽन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यस्तेजसि तिष्ठन्स्तेजसोऽन्तरो यं तेजो न वेद यस्य तेजः शरीरं यस्तेजोऽन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः इति अधिदैवतम् अथादिभूतम्. So first in Adhidaiva, Antaryami is present. Starting with Prithvi, then all Panchamahabhuta and Disha, Surya, Chandra, Tara, Taraka, Tamaha, Tejaha, everything. So this is for Chintanam. Whenever we always interact with Panchamahabhuta, Surya, Chandra, we see them. Akasha is always around. That in this Antaryami is present. Because Antaryami is present everywhere, my karma phala will come from anywhere. Wherever I am, whatever karma I do, Antaryami knows it. It is not that I will do something and how will anyone know? Antaryami is right there within you. So, everywhere that Antaryami is present. This is how karma phala is there. In the 8th mantra, Dyauhu. Dyauhu, what is the Pratipadika for Dyauhu? What is the Pratipadika? Can you all hear me or not, online students? The question is asked then, Div is the Pratipadika. What is the sutra? Dyauhu.
Deva out.
Diva out. And if it is Dyushu,
Deva.
Diva ut. See in the Bhashya. Tika first. Prithvi Paryaye Darshitam Nyayam. This is Tika is on 841. Prithvi Paryaye Darshitam Nyayam Paryayantareshu Atidishati. What he shows in Prithvi, in all Paryaya, you can do Atidesha of the same. Bhashya Samanam Anyat. यो अपसु तिष्ठन् अग्नौ अंतरिक्षे वायौ दिवि आदित्ये दिक्षु चंद्रतारके आकाशे यस्तमसि आवरणात्मके बाह्ये तमसि तेजसी तद विपरीते प्रकाश सामान्य इति एवं अधिदैवतम अंतर्यामी विषयम दर्शनम देवतासु. Tamasi means external darkness. In all of them, that Antaryami is present. In darkness he is there, in light he is there everywhere. हाँ तो वेदांत तो मानते ही हैं, ये नहीं मानते, न्याय वाले हैं. वेदांत तो मानते हैं. चित सुखी, इन चित सुखी Tamaha, we saw, I think, in Kiranavali also. Kiranavali, that Purva Paksha, whatever was there, is Chitsukhi is. That Andhakara is a Padartha. Ajnanam is also Padartha. It's not a Bhava, it's Bhava Rupa. Both are Bhava Rupa. Because Chalana Kriya is there and Nila Guna is there. Both are there. So up to this is Adhibhuta. Athadibhutam Bhuteshu Brahma. Now up to this is Adhidaivatam. Now Adhibhutam. Adhibhutam Bhuteshu Brahmadi Stamba Paryanteshu Antaryami Darshanam Adhibhutam. Now in each being you have to see Antaryami. Means in temple or in my puja room, if I do puja and there I see Antaryami, and anywhere else I don't see Bhagavan. And that is very basic bhakti. So now from mantra number 15. यह सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन् सर्वेभ्यो भूतेभ्यो अंतरो यं सर्वाणि भूतानि न विदुर् यस्य सर्वाणि भूतानि शरीरम् यह सर्वाणि भूतान्यंतरो यमयत्येषत आत्मा इत्यदि भूतम. दिस इज अधिभूतम. अथ अध्यात्मम. नाउ अध्यात्म. सो अधिभूतम इज सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन्. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज in all beings also there is antaryami. So in all devata there is antaryami. In all living beings there is antaryami. Now adhyatmam. Can you see me or hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Swamiji.
Hmm. मंत्र नंबर 16। यह प्राणे तिष्ठन् प्राणादंतरो यम प्राणो न वेद यस्य प्राण शरीरम य प्राणमंतरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यो वाची तिष्ठन् वाचोऽन्तरो यं वाङ् न वेद यस्य वाक् शरीरं यो वाचमन्तरो यमयत्येषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यश्चक्षुषी तिष्ठन्श्चक्षुषोऽन्तरो यं चक्षुर्न वेद यस्य चक्षुः शरीरं यश्चक्षुषोरन्तरो यमयत्येष आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यह श्रोत्रे तिष्ठन् श्रोत्रादन्तरो यं श्रोत्रं न वेद यस्य श्रोत्रं शरीरं यश्रोत्रमन्तरो यमयत्येषतात्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यो मनसि तिष्ठन् मनसोऽन्तरो यं मनो न वेद यस्य मनः शरीरं यो मनोऽन्तरो यमयत्येषतात्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यस्त्वचि तिष्ठन्स्त्वचोऽन्तरो यं त्वं न वेद यस्य त्वक्शरीरं यस्त्वचम् अन्तरो यमयत्येषतात्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यो विज्ञाने तिष्ठन् विज्ञानादन्तरो यं विज्ञानं न वेद यस्य विज्ञानं शरीरं यो विज्ञानमन्तरो यमयत्येषतात्मान्तर्याम्यमृतः यो रेतसि तिष्ठन् रेतसोऽन्तरो यं रेतो न वेद यस्य रेतः शरीरं यो रेतोऽन्तरो यमयत्येषतात्मान्तर्याम्यमृतो अदृष्टो द्रष्टा श्रुतः श्रोता मतो मन्ता विज्ञातो विज्ञाता नान्योतोऽस्ति द्रष्टा नान्योतोऽस्ति श्रोता नान्योतोऽस्ति मन्ता नान्योतोऽस्ति विज्ञातैषत आत्मान्तर्याम्यमृतो अतोऽन्यदार्तं ततोः दालक आरुणिरुपर राम. So up to here, retasi tishthan, everything is same. This is in Adhyatma. Adhyatma means with upadhi, where aham is the adhikarana in that. So where deha, indriya, prana, mana, buddhi, in all of them, Paramatma antaryami is present. See, टीका सर्वत्र प्राणादौ तिष्ठन् अंतर्यामी तव आत्मा इति संबंधः. भाष्य अथ अध्यात्मम यह प्राणे प्राणवायु सहिते घ्राणे. प्राणे मीन्स प्राणवायु सहित घ्राण. देन यो वाची चक्षुषी श्रोत्रे मनसी त्वची विज्ञाने बुद्धौ रेतसी प्रजनने. इन ऑल ऑफ देम that Paramatma is there. Retasi means in Retah means in the Prajanendriya, because all Indriyas are mentioned. Grana, Vak, Chakshu, Shrotra, Mana, etc. Tika Vakyantaram Prashnapurvakam Utthapya Vyachaste. So now next Vakya. Kasmat Punah Karanat Prithivyadi Devata Mahabhagaha सत्यो मनुष्यादिवत आत्मनि तिष्ठन् तिष्ठन्तम आत्मनो नियंतारम अंतर्यामिणम न विदुः. Now you said Prithvi na Veda, Vayu na Veda, all these Sarvani Bhutani na Veda. So they all, why do not they know this Antaryami who is within them? Atmani Tishthantam Antaryaminam Atmano Niyantaram Antaryaminam na viduhu kasmat iti ata aha. So in Tika just one sentence, yatha manasi tatha buddhavapi. Because in the 20th vikalpa, manasi is given, buddhi is not given. So you say buddhi, you take it. And vijnane, vijnana means you can take vijnana as jiva. So vijnane tishthan is given. इति अतः भाष्य अदृष्टो न दृष्टो न विषयीभूतः चक्षुर्दर्शनस्य कस्यचित् स्वयं तु चक्षुषी सन्निहितत्वात्. It is adrishtah, na drishtah. It doesn't become vishayibhuta. Chakshu darshanasya kasyachit vishayibhutah na. Swayam tu chakshushi sannihitatvat, but it itself is present in the chakshu. Drishishwarupa iti drashta. Iti drishishwarupa. तथा अश्रुतः श्रोत्र गोचरत्वम अनापन्नः. So now adrishta drashta, ashruta shrota, etc. is said. So by itself it is Shuddha Chaitanya. When it does Niyamanam, it takes up some Upadhi, Maya Upadhi or Mula Vidya. With that Mula Vidya Upadhi, it can do Niyamanam. Then all Prithvi Adi, they have to do different functions and it has different Shariras, etc. By itself, see, when we say Brahma, by itself is Nirguna. But Gunena saha vartate iti saguna. So what is the guna there? Guna means the trigunas which come from upadhi. Adrishto drashta ashrutah shrota. Atma is that drashta which otherwise is not drashta, is not seen. It is not heard, but it is shrota. It is not thought of, but it is manta. It is not known, but it is vijnata. तथा अश्रुतः श्रोत्र गोचरत्वम अनापन्नः कस्यचित् स्वयं तु अलुप्त श्रवण शक्ति. Alupta means its Shravana Shakti never goes away. Never goes away means Nirguna Brahma doesn't do Shravana. It's Saguna, then you eternally it has Shravana Shakti. Shravana Shakti actually means it is Chaitanya. It provides Shakti to Shrotrendriya for doing Shravanam, like how it is given in Kena. Sarva Shrotreshu Sannihitatvat Shrota. It is not Shrota by itself. It is sitting there where the Shrota is, in all the Shrotrendriya. Tatha amato mana sankalpa vishayatam anapannaha. It does not become Vishaya of Manasaha Sankalpa, Manaha Sankalpa Vishayatam Anapannaha Amata. Drishta Shrute eva hi sarvaha sankalpayati. Adrishtatvad, Ashrutatvad eva amato aluptam, alupta manana shaktitvad sarva manasu sannihitatvad cha manta. दृष्ट श्रुते एव हि सर्वः संकल्पयति. द्रष्टा श्रोता. सो दृष्ट श्रुते एव हि सर्वः संकल्पयति. Anyone who does the sankalpanam, they will do of the drashta vastu or shruta vastu. If there is no drashta, no seeing, no hearing, then what sankalpa it will have? There is no sankalpanam also. Adrishtatvad, ashrutatvad eva amatah. Alupta manana shaktitvad. But its manana shakti is, there is no lopa anytime. It is alupta. Sarva manasu sannihitatvad cha manta. And in all manaha it is sannihita, therefore it is manta. तथा अविज्ञातो निश्चय गोचरताम अनापन्नो रूपादिवत सुखादिवद्वा. इट इज अविज्ञातः निश्चय गोचरताम अनापन्नः रूपादिवत सुखादिवद्वा स्वयं तु अलुप्त विज्ञान शक्तित्वात् तत्सन्निधानाच्च विज्ञाता. बाय इटसेल्फ इट इज अलुप्त विज्ञान शक्ति. अलुप्त विज्ञान शक्तित्वात् तत्सन्निधानाच्च it is vijnata. It is in the sannidhi, proximity or vicinity of buddhi of all. Tatra yam prithvi na veda yam sarvani bhutani na viduriti cha anye niyantavya vijnataro अन्यो नियंता अंतर्यामी इति प्राप्तम. Now the next part of the mantra. नान्यो अतो अस्ति द्रष्टा, नान्यो अतो अस्ति श्रोता, मंता, विज्ञाता, etc. He explains. तत्र यम पृथ्वी न वेद, पृथ्वी doesn't know that. यम सर्वाणि भूतानि न विदुः, all beings, जीवस, they do not know it. च अन्ये नियंतव्या विज्ञातारो अन्यो नियंता अंतर्यामी. So now what he says, therefore the niyanta antaryami is different and niyamya jivas vijnataraha, they are different. So now somebody may think there is a dvaitam in this, that antaryami is different on the one who is controlling, and what is controlled, they are all different. विज्ञातारो अन्यो नियंता अंतर्यामी इति प्राप्तम तद अन्यत्व आशंका निवृत्त्यर्थम उच्यते. So that अन्यत्व is not there. न अन्यो अतो न अन्यः. अतो अस्मात्, अस्माद् अंतर्यामिणः न अन्यो अस्ति द्रष्टा, तथा च न अन्यो अस्ति श्रोता, न अन्यो अस्ति मंता, न अन्यो अस्ति विज्ञाता. Then the antaryami, there is no other drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata. Means what is said, see, we think I am seeing. And mantra said antaryami is seeing. I say I am hearing. And mantra says antaryami is shrota. So now there are two drashtas, two shrotas, two mantas. Two means so many. Each one says I am drashta, I am shrota. We say no, na anya, atah anya, na drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata. Other than antaryami, there is no other drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata. Means what is said, there is only one Chaitanya. That one Chaitanya, I think with my upadhi, I become drashta. Really speaking, if there is only one Chaitanya, that one Chaitanya in which upadhi I have done tadatmya, I think only I am drashta, I am shrota, I am vakta, etc. Really speaking, in samashti, that Paramatma alone is the Chaitanya, because there is only one Chaitanya. That Chaitanya which has all upadhis and it identifies with all upadhis. We think I am drashta separate, anya drashta is separate, anya drashta is separate. There is no such thing. This is the objective of studying Upanishad. Without studying Upanishad, I had understood I am drashta, shrota, manta different from others. And antaryami is somebody else. After studying Upanishad, I should have this understanding. This is called studying Vedanta. I study and my understanding remains how it was before. That means I have not studied. Like earlier I had given this example. Without studying Upanishad, I understand one body, one vigraha is Bhagavan. At the most, I understand he will fulfill all my desires because he has all the powers. But he is only nimitta karana of this srishti. I don't see that Paramatma as upadana karana. Then I study Vedanta. After studying Vedanta, I should understand Paramatma is not only nimitta karanam but also upadana karanam. In other words, everything is nothing but that Paramatma alone. Then my Vedanta Adhyanam has entered in my buddhi, in my vyavahara. Otherwise, it is there in that one grantha, one class. Once it is over, again I am back to how I used to think about Ishvara, how I used to think about the world around, the same thing. So then it is as good as not studying. There is nothing, there is no result of the study if I keep that Bhed Buddhi how it was before. टीका अन्वयम उपलक्षयितुम अतो न अन्य इति उक्तम. Anvayam upalakshaitum. So the anvaya of that, it is there in all. And therefore, na anya. Na anya ato na anya. Because it is said, nanyo ato asti drashta. So ataha anyaha drashta na asti. In this way, you have to do the anvaya. पदार्थान व्याकरोति अत इति. अन्यो द्रष्टा नास्ति इति संबंधः. There is no other drashta shrota manta. टीका एषत इत्यादि वाक्य से अर्थमाह. Then it was said एषत अंतर्यामी अमृतः. यस्मात् परो नास्ति द्रष्टा श्रोता मंता विज्ञाता यो अदृष्टो द्रष्टा अश्रुतः श्रोता अमतो मंता विज्ञातो विज्ञाता अमृतः सर्व संसार धर्म वर्जितः सर्व संसारिणां कर्म फल विभाग कर्ता एषत आत्मा अंतर्यामी अमृतो अस्माद् ईश्वराद् आत्मनो अन्यद् आर्तम अतो ह उद्दालक आरुणि रूपरनाम. So there is यस्मात् परः नास्ति द्रष्टा श्रोता मंता विज्ञाता. Other than this, there is no द्रष्टा श्रोता मंता विज्ञाता. यो अदृष्टो द्रष्टा अश्रुत श्रोता अमतो मंता अविज्ञातो विज्ञाता. This is अमृतः सर्व संसार धर्म वर्जितः. And see, it is Ishvara. He again, through Bhashyakar Bhagavan, with different pointers, he reminds us that this is not Nirguna Brahma. Sarva samsarinam karma phala vibhaga karta. It is very clear. Karma phala vibhaga is his department. Antaryami. Antaryami Shabda, as I gave day before yesterday, I think. The Mandukya Shruti, that Antaryami, you have to remember, it is with the Karana Upadhi. Eshat Atma Antaryami Amrito. Asmad Ishwarad Atmanaha Anyad. Then this Ishvara, everything else is Ato Anyad Artam. Artam Vinashi Mithya. So, in this way, when the Nirnaya is done, Tatoha Uddalaka Aruni Ruparanama. Aruni withdrew. Iti Brahadaranyakopaniषद भाष्ये तृतीयाध्यायस्य सप्तमम अंतर्यामी, not अंतर्मामी, अंतर्यामी ब्राह्मण. If there is error, then you correct it. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.